Ministry of Home Affairs has invited representatives of United People's Front (UPF) and Kuki National Organization (KNO) to sign a new SU agreement on 3 September at New Delhi. According to the wire, sources in UPF and KNO, the two umbrella groups that include several Kuki militant organizations, have confirmed that they have been invited by MHA to sign a new agreement that has been pending since 2024. However, details of the content remains unknown. It may be noted that SU agreement was first signed on August 22, 2008 between the Government of India, Government of Manipur and Kuki insurgent groups and has been renewed annually since then. According to this agreement, insurgent groups are required to remain in designated camps with weapons behind lock and key. However, Manipur government withdrew from the trilateral agreement following the ethnic violence on May 3, 2023, which derailed the process. Since the violence, UPF and KNO continued to press for a separate administration. Furthermore, in 2025, New Delhi resumed political dialogue with the armed groups, with 3 rounds already held in Delhi last year. A draft proposal was submitted to Union Home Minister Amit Shah by interlocutor A.K. Misra on August 2024, but no official response has been given yet. Meanwhile, Meitei and Naga organizations demand abrogation of SU agreement, accusing Kuki militant groups of committing repeated violence.